In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable form in DocuSign. First, sign in at the DocuSign web app. From the home page, click Start, Open Envelopes, and choose either Send an envelope to upload your own file or use a template. In this example, I'll pick a purchase order template and click Add Selected so we have a document ready to tag. Next, add your recipients. In the Recipients section, type the name and email address for everyone who needs to fill or sign the document. If there are multiple people, add them in the order you want them to act. You can label them Signer 1, Signer 2, and so on. When the list looks correct, click Next. Add fields to move into the tagging screen. Now you'll see your document in the center and a panel of fields on the left. At the top of that panel, choose which recipient you're placing fields for. With the correct recipient selected, drag a signature field onto the signature line, then add a date signed next to it. If you want their typed name to appear on the form, drop in a name field where it belongs. Switch the recipient selector to your next signer and repeat the process, placing their signature, date signed, and name in the right spots. For any areas where someone needs to provide information, drag in text fields. Click each text field to open its properties on the right. Here you can mark the field as required, choose validation like numbers only, set a character limit, and add helper text so your signer knows exactly what to enter. If the information is optional, toggle the field to optional instead. For selectable choices, add checkboxes or a dropdown. Use multiple checkboxes for multi-select options. Always confirm each field is assigned to the intended recipient by checking the color coding and the Assign to setting in the properties. Before you finish, click Preview. Then click Start to step through the form exactly as your recipients will see it. Try entering sample text, clicking checkboxes, and verifying that required fields prevent you from moving forward if left blank. If something needs tweaking, exit Preview, select the field, and adjust its placement or settings. When everything looks good, click Save and Close to keep your changes. Your envelope or template now has fully fillable, properly assigned, and validated fields that are ready to use. And that's the process. Log in, prepare your document, add recipients, place and configure fields, preview the experience, and save. Follow these steps, and you'll have professional, fillable DocuSign forms up and running in minutes.